Hi everyone, for today's episode, we will be making baked mustard honey salmon. So we begin by first greasing the aluminum foil with some olive oil. This keeps the fish from sticking. Now it's time for us to prepare the fish. In this recipe, I've used the Walmart's frozen salmon fillets. So I basically just tear off the individual packaging of each fillet and then thaw them under running warm water. After we've done that, let's not forget to clean up. So these are the prepared and thawed salmon fillets. So what I do is just brush them off lightly with some olive oil, and then I squeeze about 1 to 2 small lemons in this batch. Now we bake this salmon fillets at 405 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. If you have the roast option, you can use that too. While waiting for our fish to get cooked, we will be preparing our mustard honey sauce. So it's just a combination of Dijon mustard, honey, dried dill weed, salt, and pepper. I will be placing the exact measurements in the description box below. Our 10 minutes cooking time is up, so we will be using our prepared sauce and brush it on the halfway cooked fillets. Then these fillets go back to the oven and cook for additional 4 more minutes. Make sure that the internal temperature of the fish is 145 degrees Fahrenheit before serving them. Once they are cooked, I love putting just a little bit of sprinkle of the curry powder. My husband discovered this, and the curry powder just accentuates the taste of the mustard honey sauce. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.